The Knowledge Library Daily Current Affairs. News headlines 13th December 2023. National News. The Rajya Sabha today passed the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners, appointment, conditions of service and term of office, Bill 2023. The government today withdrew 3 bills, which were to replace the British-era criminal bills, and brought 3 new legislations in the Lok Sabha incorporating the changes recommended by the Parliamentary Standing Committee. The Central Board of Secondary Education, CBSE, today released the date sheets for Class 10 and 12 board exams 2024. The Eastern Naval Command today organized outreach activities in various schools and junior colleges to enhance awareness of the Agnipath scheme. The Lok Sabha has passed the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization, Second Amendment, Bill 2023, and the Government of Union Territories, Amendment, Bill 2023. A parliamentary panel has recommended that legal assistance to Indian nationals imprisoned or arrested in Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC) countries are provided through a panel of lawyers appointed by the mission or post, and expenditure on lawyers' fees is paid from Indian Community Welfare Fund. The centre has said that the number of medical colleges has increased by 82% in the country. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla has accepted the resignation of Pomti Reddy Venkat Reddy with effect from yesterday. The government today said that Ayushman Bharat, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, a PMJ, provides treatment corresponding to a total of 1949 procedures under 27 different specialties like neurology, nephrology, cardiology and general medicine, and neurosurgery among others. The Lok Sabha today gave its nod to the first batch of grants for supplementary demands for 2023-24 and demands for excess grants for 2020-21. The number of left-wing extremism, LWE, related violent incidents has come down by 76% in 2022 in comparison to 2010. The government today said around 54 crore 68 lakh permanent account numbers, PAN, have been linked with Aadhaar till June this year. India Meteorological Department, IMD, has forecast isolated light to moderate rainfall, thunderstorms, and lightning likely over Arunachal Pradesh, Kerala, Mahe and Lakshadweep today and over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya tomorrow. The government today introduced the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization, Second Amendment, Bill 2023. The bill seeks to reserve 33% seats in the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly for women. The government is focusing at primary level to eradicate anemia from the country. Replying to supplementary during question hours in Rajya Sabha today, the President, Draupadi Murmu, has said artificial intelligence-based courses will provide solutions for upcoming challenges of society. India today said the Ghana-Venezuela border issue should be resolved peacefully and escalatory steps must be avoided. The government is committed to modernize primary agricultural credit societies, PACS, working at the grassroots level under cooperative credit structure. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that the Supreme Court verdict on Articles 370 and 35A has enhanced constitutional integration. He stressed that the verdict also has strengthened the spirit of Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat. State News. In Madhya Pradesh, Chief Minister-designate Dr. Mohan Yadav and his cabinet colleagues will take oath tomorrow. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other senior BJP leaders will be present at the swearing-in ceremony. In Jammu and Kashmir, Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha today unveiled a statue of General Joravar Singh at the University of Jammu and paid tributes to the great warrior and military genius on his martyrdom day. Bhajanlal Sharma will be the new Chief Minister of Rajasthan. Mr. Sharma was unanimously elected the leader of the BJP Legislative Party in a meeting held at BJP headquarters in Jaipur. Haryana Deputy Chief Minister Dushyant Chautala said that 3,700 crore rupees will be spent on the construction of new roads in the state next year. Haryana Governor Bandaru Dattatreya today administered the oath of office, allegiance, and secrecy to Dr. Sonia Trikha as a member of the Haryana Public Service Commission at Raj Bhavan in Chandigarh. In Mizoram, the first sitting of the 9th Legislative Assembly began today with the new members taking oath, which was administered by Pro Tem Speaker Lalfamkima. In Manipur, the Nupi Lal Day was observed to pay homage to the brave women of Manipur who fought against the injustice of British colonial rule in 1939. A VBSY program was conducted across various Gram Panchayats, including Naingaram in Tenkasi district, Hadangam in Dharmpuri district, Musravakkam in Kachipuram, and Panaikulam Panchayat in Madurai district, spanning Tamil Nadu. In Jammu and Kashmir, the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh on Monday ordered a 15-day winter vacation for district courts in Kashmir Valley, some areas of Jammu Division and Ladakh from 1st January. The Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board has issued directions to Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited on Eno Creek oil spillage. A beneficiary of the Punya Shlok Ahilyadevi Holkar irrigation well scheme, Mr. Lakshman Bidkar from Parbhani district of Maharashtra, expressed his gratitude for gaining access to irrigated water, leading to an increased yield of crops. The election for the Speaker of Telangana Assembly will be held on Thursday, 14th of this month. A notification has been issued to hold the election from 10:30 a.m. on the day. International news. In Pakistan, 25 security personnel and 27 terrorists were killed in separate clashes between the security forces and terrorists in Dera. The Islamabad High Court today acquitted former Pakistan Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif in the Al Azizia steel mill corruption case. In Poland, Donald Tusk is back in power after 9 years, securing the support of the Polish parliament last evening to head a new government. Russia today said that any additional US aid to Ukraine will be a fiasco. China's President Xi Jinping arrived in Vietnam this morning for his first visit in 6 years, as he seeks to counter the United States' growing influence with the communist nation. The 28th session of the United Nations Climate Change Conference, COP28, will draw to a close in Dubai today. United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, UNODC, released its Southeast Asia Opium Survey 2023 today. The report states that Myanmar is the world's biggest opium producer. In the United States, former United Nations Secretary-General Ban Ki-moon was honored with Lifetime Achievement Award at the Power of One Award 2023 ceremony, organized by the Diwali Foundation USA. A US F-16 fighter jet crashed in South Korea on Monday while on a routine training flight. The US Air Force unit stationed in the country said the pilot was rescued in the Yellow Sea by the South Korean Coast Guard. Sports news. India marched into the semi-finals of the FIH Hockey Men's Junior World Cup 2023 with a 4-3 win over the Netherlands in a thrilling quarter-finals match at the National Hockey Stadium in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead. Like, share and subscribe our channel.